Hey, what up guys? We're doing another vlog.
Hey Dad, I found
This time we got almost the whole family. We're gonna be doing a kayaking vlog adventure. Also, we're gonna try and fish at the same time. Hopefully we'll catch something, but mostly we're gonna be kayaking and having fun, taking the days easy. We got 3 kayaks and 2 float tubes. Wow.
Go ahead, take your tube. Take it over this way.
Is this tied on to something?
Yes, that's tied onto that side.
Soraya,
No, Soraya, off of it.
Put it.
Oh, bring it over onto this side, Malia.
Go this way.
No, we can't go that.
You go!
Really? She can't go far. You bring your end, swing it over.
I need a towel.
I can't. Towel.
All right, guys. So they're getting ready to put their floaties in the water. I'm still get my stuff.
You can't have your chips. I'll keep your chips.
Yeah, you can't hold on.
We got coolers and drinks and chips. Man, what the fuck? Look how big this is. Look at these crazy fools, man. They're already in the water. Alright guys, we're officially off into the water. Man, this water's cold. They're way up there ahead. And these people. Shut up! People are out here fishing too. Shut up!
And can you give me a sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
Nice pedal boat. The cola's right there.
Get a drink.
I don't care.
Can we get through the rocks?
What are you doing? How do you turn?
With my mind.
Where did you come from? Did you circle around us?
Heck yeah.
Hey, give me that pedal thing.
No, fool.
I need it.
Nope.
Yes, I do.
Shut up. Get your own.
I don't have one. Are you not fishing anymore? Give me that.
I was.
Give me that thing.
No, it's mine.
Guys. But I can't.
Oh, it looks like he might got something, guys. Oh, yep. What is that? Oh, he caught something.
What?
Stop it.
Yeah, he caught something. Look at all these. Look at all these birds.
Mom looks where I got a tan again.
Look at these fools.
Wait. I know how to get up there. Ren, let me get under yours. Sorry.
I need someone to sit up
Oh
there.
yeah,
because
you get
I'm
up here from
far
there.
back.
Exactly.
So if she goes,
Are you out?
I need weight. Okay, yeah, she's out.
Ren,
So I
give me
tried
the
to move
floaty.
forward, but I can't.
I'm there.
I'm ready. Here, grab my handful. You're just having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it deep? Yeah. Can you touch?
Let's hang on to the tube
It's
and
deep.
Just hang on to the tube.
to the tube and just slide.
You guys can get in the water and swim with the tube. Good, that's fine.
Wait.
Soraya, hey.
I can't swim.
Pull your bathing suit out of your crap. Mom, do
Go
you see your
under.
tan line?
Oh wait.
Should I get in the water?
Hey, Leah, pick up that juice box.
There's water in it.
Millie.
I'm gonna drop down and then get back in. Can I do that? Ow. Ready?
Be careful, you don't want to pop that tube. I'll be swimming the rest of the way.
Okay.
They ain't gonna pop it, fool. What are you gonna pop it with?
Wait.
Jump already, fool. Stop being gay.
I know how I'm. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You're not gonna swim?
They need to take turns.
Guys, look how easily I can cut.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's
I
shallow.
walked over a big rock.
Guys, I'm gonna let the
Hold on to the tube.
It's so high.
So high.
Yeah.
Soraya can probably cut.
It's your kayaks that's holding the weight.
Oh my god, whoa, wait, hold on.
We're almost to the island.
Yeah, the island's right there.
Look at that big fat. I just floated.
No,
Nope, it's shallow here.
Guys,
Is it deep?
Yeah. No. It's really deep. Right here. Literally touching.
Oh, it gets shallower over there?
Oh, wait, up and down.
It gets deeper. Holding on to your boat.
Guys, that's the steering wheel.
Right, I think you should get on. This is really deep. Back on the boat. Now, I'm going to EJ's boat. Me too.
Swim, fool.
I'm walking. Let's go.
You're fine. You got floaties on.
Oh, I can reach.
I can touch.
Benny, hold on. There's a crackling noises underwater. Right, hold on to the thing. I can't hold your hand.
Oh, guys, my brother said there's a snake over here. And we're trying to see where it is. Yeah, there it is. There it is, right? Where'd he go? It's gone. No.
I got the life now. I can just lay back. Got a driver.
Hey, look.
So,
I'm pushing the light.
mm-hmm.
Now move, let me do it.
Guys, look at all these birds up here. Look at all these birds up there. Just sitting there.
Kayak. Paddle. Can we have the paddle?
No?
Do you have anything we
Please,
can paddle?
we have nothing.
Why'd you take the tie off, fool?
Because we could.
We're good, Mom.
Guys, just paddle with your hands.
That feels good, guys. The shade and the wind. Look at these fools over there. Alright guys, taking a quick stop so we could rest and eat. They're still way out there. You got a long way to go. What'd you find? Hey, look. A big clam. It's alive. Wow, no. It's a big clam, guy. Fresh water.
What is it?
Clam.
What is it?
Come on, fool.
Help me.
You can do it. Come on. You got shoes on, huh? See, you can do it.
Ow, 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 ow.
Shut up, fool. You got shoes on. Oh, they finally made it, guys.
Finally.
Yeah, finally.
So much we were dying out there.
That was fun. Get it up. The rocks.
All right, eat. You got fun, fool?
I'm done
You're done what?
with the chicken.
Kiduki. What'd you find? What is that, clam? Who is that, fool?
Chicken in there still. Give it to Chanel or a Ram. They'll eat them.
Alright guys, so we're off again from taking a break and eating. Now we're up. Some more kayaking. Sun's out again, you can see. Hot. So it's nice to be in the water. It's cold.
Go get her. Go get her.
What happened?
She got out of her tube on accident. No, she did it on purpose.
What?
What's your body just make?
Triangle?
Girl.
No, fool. Don't be stupid. No, it's a triangle. Check it out, guys. There's a dog over there swimming.
Good doggy. Good doggy. I saw him.
All right, we're in the shade, guys.
Not unless it's
Away from the sun. We've been in the sun the whole day.
why the camera?
See, this how the pioneers used to travel.
Hey. I know what
They,
here.
the Indians. They had their canoes.
Hey, hi.
Mm-hmm.
I'm holding on. Is that kind of heavy?
Huh?
Is that kind of heavy?
No,
Can you use it?
it's aluminum.
Can you use it?
Oh man, this feels so nice, guys. In the shade, the cool breeze from the wind. Listen to the tree. It's very peaceful.
Hey, yo.
Oh, we're coming to Grand Rapids, guys. Hang on for your life. Oh no! Oh shoot! Woo! Everybody all right?
Yeah.
Another rock.
Oh, shoot! Jeez! made it. That was close, guys. We almost flipped over.
It's nice.
Really picture wedgie. Soraya, leave the rope alone. Margot. Soraya. Leave the rope alone.
Guys, we made it. The bridge is right over there, which means that's our stop area. That's the finish line, guys.
Oh my god, it only took like 30 hours.
Yeah, we've been paddling for hours.
Finally.
We started in the morning. It's like mid-afternoon now. Oh shoot, we got 2 boats. Oh shoot, we got some waves, guys. We're at the beach. Look at the waves. Oh, there's only one bridge. Oh, look at that rock. All right, guys, we made it. We made it. Watch out for the fishing hook. You fell asleep. There's a rock. Oh, hang on, fool. Told you, watch out for the hook. Ah, shit. Take this, fool, before the... Now you're gonna have to... Here, take this, fool, before it pulls on it.
And then we saw.
Daddy caught himself.
Hang on. Do you need scissors? Yeah, let me get it. Well, alright guys. That is it for this kayak vlog. We started in the morning. Now it's mid-afternoon or almost night. Took us a while to get down the river because we had kids with us. Got the truck load up, kayak strapped down, and we're ready to get out of here.
We were in there
don't forget to.
Like and
and
subscribe. Like and
Yeah.
subscribe, or else
You're gonna be dead.
or else there's gonna be a tarantula in your bed.
Food man.
Hold that.